Okay, today's recipe is going to be super simple. We're going to be making a steak the way I've never ever made it before. And I'm here at the Market Street, and I came to grab one of these Raider Red Meats. It's from Texas Tech. It's a student-run program. They have a store there. They also will sell in some local stores like the Market Street, which is based out in West Texas. And it's also available to ship across the country. It helps provide training for all the students and earns them scholarships. All the proceeds go towards scholarships. They're aged. Package says minimum of 21 days, but online I think it says basically they shoot for more like 30 days plus. So these are all great steaks. This one looks really well marbleized. It's a premium steak. It's steakhouse quality, not just a cheap select or choice steak. So let's give this a shot and see what we get. I will catch you back in the kitchen. Hi, I'm Ralph. Welcome to my kitchen. I've already told you about the Red Raider, from Texas Tech, their meat that benefits their students, called Raider Red's Meats. Look them up online. I will try to get a link to it down below. Even though I am not an affiliate, I will make nothing off of this. It just looks like a really good cut of meat. Now, I've been sick all week, terribly sick. My energy level is like way down here. So I needed a good, short, easy video to do. This is gonna be it. I've been wanting to do it anyway. And here's how we're gonna do this. We are gonna be cooking this awesome steak in the dishwasher. Gonna put it right in there. That's it. Most people don't have a sous vide equipment, but most people have a dishwasher. So this is gonna be like so easy. Gonna get it in there so that the arm is gonna hit it frequently. I'm gonna put this on 1 hour cycle. Power on. Got a brand new dishwasher, just still learning how to operate it. 1 hour cycle, start. Now, if you don't happen to have a 1 hour cycle on yours, the rinse cycle will probably do just fine. If you want to kind of help this along, if you turn your hot water spigot on, it will kind of act like a preheat for an oven, only you're preheating the water that's going into your dishwasher so that the heater in the dishwasher doesn't have to do all the work. Usually should only take a couple of minutes. But in the meantime, as I mentioned, my energy level is like way down here. I've already got that in there. I'm gonna take a nap for the next hour. And I'll see you then. And I think the music says it is ready. Let's find out what we've got. Here is our steak. Okay, we'll cut into the packaging. Pull out our steak. Oh, that is so tender. That's incredibly tender. Now we'll pat it dry. Season it with some salt. Little pepper. Get the other side. Ready to take it over to the skillet. Got the heat cranked up to high. Lay that in there. We'll give that a couple of minutes. A little butter. And we'll let it rest for a couple minutes. Okay, let's see what we've got. Slices open really nice. Looking really good inside. Take a couple of slices of this. Slices super nice. Little bite-sized pieces. And how does it taste? This is awesome, y'all. Check out the Red Raider Meats by Texas Tech. These steaks are worth it. And doing them in a dishwasher works out great too. If you're enjoying the video, give me a like. If you're on a mobile device, hit that hype button. Leave me a comment. Tell me where you're commenting from. Love my comments. And I will catch y'all the next time. And don't forget to subscribe now. Gotta have another.